Good morning, students. In class 8, we were discussing reported speech. So today we will uh, start exercise A, E, on page number 136. Page 136, exercise E. Now, in this exercise, you have to convert reported speech from indirect to direct. Fine. So, rewrite the following sentences using the speaker's actual words. Actual words means direct speech. So the lady inquired whether I was not the daughter of Mr. Basu who lived in Mumbai. So just look at carefully. The lady inquired. Inquired will convert into said to. Whether. Fine. तो आपको यहाँ पर basically the lady said. Comma inverted comma because object given नहीं है. Whether I was not. Aren't you या are you not the daughter of. Aren't you the daughter of Mr. Basu who lives in Mumbai? Second one. The speaker said that it gave him a great pleasure to be there that evening. The speaker said, it gives me great pleasure to be here this evening. That will convert into this, and they will convert into this here. Third, the girls shouted with delight that they had won the tournament. So shouted with delight means we have to use hooray. Okay. The girls said hooray. We have won the tournament. Fourth, the angry headmaster jeered and said whether he supposed. The angry headmaster jeered and said, I suppose that I know better than. Better than my own teacher. Fifth, Vivek requested us to wait there till he returned. So Vivek said to us, please wait her till I return. Six, Vic, uh, the old man confessed with regret that he had been very extravagant in his youth. The old man said, uh, confessed with regret. I told you, alas, the old man said, alas, I have been very extravagant in my youth. 7. The judge ordered them to call the first witness. So the judge said, call the first witness. 8. The policeman said the policeman inquired where they were going. The policeman said, where are you going? That means the speaker said weather will convert into is MR. Is MR basically it is was ना, so was को basically convert करेंगे is MR में, है ना. First person is I, that means you, because reported speech में आप I को चेंज करते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू फर्स्ट पर्सन. तो यहाँ पर वेदर I गिवन है तो I कैसे बना होगा, बिकॉज वी हैव टू यूज you. फाइन. सो in these cases you have to use direct to indirect, fine, and indirect to direct. So the lady inquired whether I was not daughter of Mr. Basu who lived in Mumbai will convert into this. The lady said, aren't you the daughter of Mr. Basu who lives in Mumbai? That means the speaker said if it gave him great pleasure to be there that evening. The speaker said it gives me great pleasure to be there will be converted into here this evening. So that was basically direct to indirect, and this time we have converted indirect to direct. So you have to just read the sentences and you will come to know how it is, how did it change. Okay. And the last exercise, exercise F. Varun said, do you still drive fast? The driver said, no sir, I have become very cautious now. So the driver said will convert into told Varun that. यहाँ तक given है, so you have to convert I have become very cautious now. So I first person, it will convert into subject of reporting verb, that is he had become very cautious now. He has become very cautious now. Second, Riya asked Neha, are you willing to join us for a movie and lunch on Sundays? So Neha said, oh, that's a good idea. I'll surely come along and I'll meet you at Alex Cinema by 10 a.m. on Sunday then. So when Riya asked, that means are you willing? So आपको उसको convert करना है. Are you will convert into was were, है ना? If she was willing to join, if she was willing to join us, first person, it will convert into them. Then for a movie, and lunch on Sunday. Third, one part is also missing. So Neha replied that, oh, that's a good idea. It means That was a good idea. Istamar will convert into was were. And she would surely go. She would surely go along and meet her and meet her at Alex Cinema by 10 a.m. on Sunday. Then, clear? And the last one, third. Firemen tell now when and how did the fire break out and what had it started. So the firemen wanted to know when will convert into when and how. And did will convert into, as you know, had. Okay. The fire broke out. Fire broke out and where it had started. Okay, so basically that was your reported speech and it has been completed, finished now. So in upcoming lecture we will start with new topic. Fine. Thank you so much.